The global market for dynamic random access memory chips is forecast to grow to reach $100 billion for the first time this year, a trend that's set to affect semiconductor industries currently dominated by Korean manufacturers. Kim Ji-yeon explains further.
A report released by semiconductor market research firm IC Insight shows global sales of DRAMs to grow 39% compared to last year to record $101.6 billion of sales this year. That's $2 billion higher than the firm's previous report released in March. DRAMs and NAND flash memory chips make up a combined 38% of the total semiconductor market, estimated at $428 billion. Korean chip makers Samsung Electronics and SK hynix together take up more than 70% of the global semiconductor market share, and their sales of chips play a big part in the company's profit earnings. Samsung Electronics revealed last month that second quarter operating profit rose by nearly 6% on year to $13.3 billion, the lion's share of that coming from its chip unit. SK hynix also posted all-time high operating profits of $9.2 billion in Q2 and announced plans to build a new semiconductor fabrication plant at its headquarters in Icheon, southeast of Seoul, to cope with the rising demand. A local expert says prospects are good for the country's semiconductor exports in the latter half of this year as well, with unit prices expected to stay steady.
Trade tensions between the U.S. and China are expected to have a limited impact on Korea's chip shipments, since its biggest market is China. It could, however, affect Korea's chip shipments, where parts are sent to China to be assembled before being exported to the U.S.
Data released by the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy last month shows Korea's semiconductor exports increased for the third consecutive month in July, surpassing $10 billion, the fourth highest monthly record ever. Kim Ji-yeon, Arirang News.